Hi, I'm Jack. Welcome to Heyday UK's YouTube page. We make short films with primary and secondary schools all across London. We've been doing it since 2013 and we want to work in your school, if you'll have us. We're very nice, I promise.
Hey, who's talking?
I usually upload all the films we've made at the end of each term. But keep an eye out because I also upload weekly vlogs which explain everything from how to fake your own film stunts to what we've been up to in each of our schools. No 2 weeks are the same. All our short films are made by the students in the schools and we help to edit them. If you're new to the world of Heyday UK, I'd recommend watching, Jeff, Mental Maths and Decaffeinated. So, like our videos, subscribe to our page, follow us on Twitter at Heyday UK Ltd and Instagram Heyday UK Short Films for regular updates. Alright, cut, that'll do.